Oh, cool. All right. Fun video. Got the solar SpyPoint rechargeable camera. Dead. It's been dead since April. It's December. Yes, I'm not very fast about getting returns done. But anyway, it's still under warranty. Got 2 years on it. 2 years. So the way to get your camera replaced, you got to start a chat like 2 days before you want to really get to the chat where you ask for the replacement. What they're going to do is they're going to ask you to take this battery pack. And if you forgot, there's a little tiny micro USB slot here that you recharge it with. They don't have a clue on how this thing works at all, not even on the documentation very well. But anyway, what this baby does is right there is a little LED. She starts off red when it's low charge, and it turns green when it's charged. I'm gonna try to plug it in and see if I get it to work, but technically there. And my cable's too short to get it in the picture because I got like a little 6-incher here, 7-inch cable. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Really simple. Red, green. 2 contacts in the top. If you got a voltmeter, should read right around 3.5 to 3.9. Or is that right? 3 or 2? Yeah, 3.7 volts. So anything in that range, it should be good when it goes green. Okay, simple. Anyway, my camera's deader than a doornail. You put the battery in. There's a little 12-volt port here. I put my adapter in there. The stupid little tray for my other cameras won't fit in there. They keep asking, did you try fresh batteries? Well, how can you try fresh batteries when you can't get the battery pack in it? But they don't fucking know. Anyway, back to SpyPoint. So anyway, I hope you can read this. But basically, I start off with a chart. Here's the one. Oh yeah, this is what they make you do. You gotta wait 40. They want you to charge this battery pack for 48 hours, even though on the website it says charge for 12. So 4 times longer to charge the dumb thing. So I put in my little number from the previous chat, the operator or chat person, and this is what's fun too. Enter your phone number. Okay, well I did that. Well, here's my number. Please don't call my ass. I don't need anybody calling me. Here's my email. And then again, thanks. And then I just keep asking over and over again. Oh yeah, they tell you that your data card isn't working. Just ignore it. Because how would it not work if it is? You've already been getting pictures from it. Battery pack. Does the camera in hand? Yeah, I got the camera. Did you? Yeah, here it is. Did you already try fresh batteries? No, because you can't put them in there, and I tell them that, but they don't care. Please allow me 2 to 3 minutes. So as soon as they do that, then the little robot's going to try to shut your chat because it only gives you like 4 minutes, 3 minutes before it starts asking if you're still there. I said, hey, in case we get disconnected, here's my shipping address. Okay, I already gave it to him once. Are you still there? Yeah, I'm here. No, sir, I'm exploring all possibilities. Yep, okay, great. Replace broken. I just keep asking for the camera to get replaced. Great. May I know your shipping address? No. Yeah, of course, I already gave it to him. Here it is again. We'll hang out. Hi. Here it is. And then they wanted me to join the members club, or I'm already a member of it, so they didn't check it. So I asked them to check it. Well, they said, yeah, my pleasure. But then am I a member? I asked them again. Of course not. They don't know. Chat, and then the person into the chat. Well, anyway, I got the email. They're going to send me a new camera. It takes about an hour to go through their little chat thing. Just keep asking for a camera. Be patient with them, and then they'll send it out. This is my second time or third time getting cameras replaced because their cameras do seem to fail now and then. And well, good luck with it. Hope you get your thing down. Send me a comment if you want. Please don't call me. Please don't dox me, whatever they call it. Put my address on there. Don't need a bunch of headaches. Good luck with it. Bye. Can't name the thing because I don't know how to run my computer.